innocent. I hate being innocent. Why? Just why? Hey. Outlets. You're on your
Outlets. What is that? By the way, my voice sounds crappy because it's in my other phone.
Hey, you know
I don't have
did
screen
correct?
recording, sadly.
Oh. Who is it?
Look.
Who's the
Hold
goddamn
up.
word?
Look in 3, 2. Hold up.
I can't lick your ankles, you know, and if you're a camper, I just hate it. I feel if there's a
Campers
camper
suck,
in here.
right? My voice sounds crappy. I don't know
Get
why.
my coin! There you go.
Coin. I was about to break some other infos on this.
My voice will sound different from real life.
It's just so bad, my voice. This quality phone is garbage.
I know, right?
I'm not gonna
I
lie.
don't have a screen recording, so I use my ankles. I just broke your ankles. Wow!
Dude!
How did she kill me? They were those things. So, I'll make more videos about this. This is my
Alright,
first
it's better.
round with y'all guys. So, leave a like down below. And
I don't know if y'all
comment
can
what
hear
should
it.
I do
Turn up
next
the
in my
volume.
Random Mystery video. I might go live one day. So, I might need to leave.
Hold up.
I might not post so much.
It's not going up for some reason. Hold up. Go up. Hello?
This went out, and this is my Roblox. Whatever.
Yeah,
I might tell you my username
Might, alright?
if
Do not.
you want to friend me,
not
but only go on Roblox. And don't you dare hack me, because I'm not telling you yet. So bye guys, have a good day.
Yep. That's about it.